Good morning, students. Today I am discussing about some important questions for your CC examination according to your first sem syllabus. So, today's topic human growth and development. Okay, first of all, look MCQ questions. MCQ questions means multiple choice questions. So, first questions for your examinations for preparation: which of the following statements is the not correct process? Which of the following statement is not correct? So option is there: development is a quantity process. Second option: education is a goal oriented process. After that, learning is a process of behavioral change. Growth is a biological process. So which is the answer? Which is not statement? Which statement is not correct? So option development is a quantity process is not correct. Understood? Another important questions for your CC examinations: the domains of development such as physical, cognitive, social and emotional are developed in which one of the following process? What listen carefully. The domain of development such as physical, cognitive, social and emotional are developed in which one of the following process? So option will be there: distinctly, partially, randomly and integrated and holistically. Which one answer? Answer is integrated and holistically. Understood? So what the domain of development such as physical, cognitive, social and emotional are developed in which of the following process? So answer is integrated and holistically. So another important questions: which is age group of early childhood? What? Which is the age group of early childhood? So option are 0 to 2 years, 2 to 4 years, 2 to 6 years, 4 to 7 years. So what is the answer? Answer is 2 to 6 years. Understood? So look students, another important questions for your examination: what development is a never ending process? Development is a never ending process. This statement is related to which principle of development? What development is a never ending process, and this statements is related to which principle of development? Options are: principles of continuity, second option principles of integration, third option principles of interaction, and last option principles of interrelationship. So what is the answer? Development is never ending process means the principles of continuity. Understood? And now look another important questions for your CC examinations: what human development starts from which stage? What development human development starts from which stage? Stage of infancy, pre-childhood stage, prenatal stage, the post-childhood stage. So what is the answer? Answer is prenatal stage, because human development start from prenatal state. Understood? And now look another important questions: for the growth of children. For the growth of children, some parents and teachers were over concerned about providing dash conditions. What? For the growth of children, some parents and teachers were over concerned about providing dash condition. Which condition? Certain condition, uh, fundamentally condition, powerful condition, healthful condition. So what is the answer? Healthful condition. Healthful condition. Understood? So for the growth of children, some parents and teachers, the following stages of development is a call a unique stage of emotion and development. Look students, a unique stage of emotional development by Cole and Bruce. Which stage of development? Adolescence, childhood, infancy, adulthood. So here is the answer is childhood. So childhood stages of development is called as a unique stage of emotional development by Cole and Bruce. So now look another important questions. Which of the following statements are correct regarding emotional and social development in a childhood? So options are there. Between ages 2 and 6 months, infants express feelings such as anger, sadness, surprise and fear. Option 1. And option 2, babies cannot express themselves in any way until the age of 1 year. This is one not answer. And toddlers usually enter another emotionally rocky time between the age of 15 to 18 months. So what is the answer? Both 2 and 3, both 1 and 2. All of the above, I mean 1, 2, 3. Option 4, both A and 3. So 1 and 3. So what is the answer? A and 3. I mean between ages of 2 and 6 months, infants express feelings such as anger, sadness, surprise and fear. And toddlers usually enter another emotionally rocky time between the age of 15 to 18 months. Understood? So next questions for your upcoming examinations. Which of the following statements is incorrect about the principles of child development? So we are already known which is the principles of child development. So here which is the incorrect about principles of child development. So now look, options are there. First option, development follows a definite and predictable pattern. This one, all individuals are similar in their development. This one, or development is product of heredity and environment. And last options are there, development works on the principles of integration. So which is the answer? All individuals are similar in their development. Understood? So all individuals are similar in the development is the incorrect about the principles of child development. Understood? And now look, another important questions for your upcoming examinations. Environmental factors do not play any role in shaping an individual, since the growth of each individual is determined by this genetic makeup. This statement is incorrect, since there have been several researches to prove that environment can have a major influence on development. Option 2, correct, since genetic makeup of an individual is very strong. Another option, correct, since there have been several researches to prove that genetic material alone predicts an individual's development. And last option, incorrect, but since environment factors contribute little in an individual's growth and development. So what is the answer? Answers is option was incorrect, these statements, since there have been several researches to prove that environments can have a major influence on development. Understood? And now look, another important question. So at what stage of development team spirit of children changes? What? At what stage of development team spirit of children changes? So answer, options, childhood, pre-adolescence, adolescence, pre-adulthood. So which is the answer? At what stage of development, I mean adolescence stage of development, team spirit of children changes. So that's why answer is adolescence. And now look, which basic emotions to develop during infancy? What? Which basic emotions do develop during infancy? Fear, apathy, joy. Second option, fear, anger, jealousy. Third option, fear, anger, irritation. Last option, fear, anger, affection. So which is the answer? Basic emotion to develop during infancy, fear, anger and affection. So option 4 is the answer. Now look, for today's last question, which one of the following statements best sums up the relationship between development and learning? Which one of the following statements are best sums up the relationship between development and learning? So answer, options are there. Learning and development are synonyms terms. Learning and development are interrelated in a complex manner. Third option, development is independent of learning. And last option or 4 options, learning trails behind development. So which is the answer? Which one of the following statements best sums up the relationship between development and learning? So answer is learning and development are interrelated in a complex manner. Understood? So carefully listen my voice and study at your home, because these are all important for your upcoming examination. Thank you, students. Okay.